Damn, we tried OnlyFans for one day and made over 4 figures in less than 12 hours without a huge following. Also, if you stay till the end of the video, I will show you how to get your hands on our extremely high converting welcome message that has generated us over $750 in tips on the very first day. So stick around for the entire video so you can get your hands on all of this. I'm going to reveal to you how we made over 4 figures on our very first day on OnlyFans. Now, before you say, I'm not a hot girl, what am I doing on OnlyFans? Let me explain. A few months ago, I realized the potential of earning income on OnlyFans. I know a few models and they showed me how much money they were making on OnlyFans and I was shocked. But I also noticed they were leaving a ton of money on the table. So I thought to myself, long story short, I started an OnlyFans marketing and management agency where we completely rebuild, restructure, redesign, and optimize OnlyFans accounts so that they convert more potential customers into fans, also while doubling tips, revenue, and traffic. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how we made this happen and how you can get your hands on this step-by-step blueprint that we used to generate over 4 figures on our very first day on OnlyFans. So keep watching to get all of this sauce. So let's just get the results out of the way so that you know that I'm credible. Here are the results for our very first day on OnlyFans without having a huge following. We made over $1,200 in our very first day on OnlyFans. As you can see, we made over $500 in subscription costs, and we made over $740 in tips alone on the very first day. Now, mind you, OnlyFans takes 20%, so our actual net income is $1,000. I see a lot of people asking what to price their subscriptions at. So let me give you a quick concept and hopefully you can wrap your head around this. In our specific case and what we do with our models is we expect to make more money on the back end with upsells and tips. So it doesn't really matter what we price our subscriptions at because we expect to get way more money on the back end with tips. So if you're anything like us and you have a ton of upsells and you have a lot of ideas for how to charge people on the back end once they already get into your paid subscription service, then your price doesn't really matter. Technically, you don't have to charge people anything and you could have them subscribe and you can make thousands of dollars per day on tips alone. So your subscription cost doesn't matter. You don't want to price it too high so that no one's able to join, but you also don't want to price it too low so you don't get these low quality people who are just going to talk shit and be in your inbox and, not give you money. So you got to find the healthy balance between the two. It's give or take, as with anything in this world. There's benefits to having volume and there's benefits to having quality. So it really just depends on what you plan on doing and how you intend to make money on OnlyFans. So now that I showed you the results, you know that I'm credible. Let me tell you the 3 things that we did that allowed us to generate these results on our very first day without having a huge following. And secret number 1 is consistency. You need consistency with posting. You need consistency with the way that you offer your upsells. You need consistency with being online so that your fans and customers know when you're gonna be on there so that you can actually talk to them and not play phone tag and do all that stuff because that is gonna hurt your sales. Now, we're gonna run through this. Now, the second most important thing you need to be successful on OnlyFans is upsells. You need to have a value ladder. Now, what I mean by that is you need to have something at the bottom for people to get for a low price. Then you need to have something middle tiered, and then you need to have something high priced. That way you could funnel people through each step of the ladder, and that's how you generate more money out of each customer. Because it's not always a volume game. It's not always, I need to get 1,000 fans. Like for us, we generated maybe 20 fans, yet we made $1,000 off of 20 fans. So we're averaging $50 to $60 for every fan that joins us, even though we're only charging $10, $15, $20 for our subscription costs. The reason why we're able to do this is because we have a value ladder. We offer something small at the beginning, and then once we've given them the value, we offer them something moderate that's medium priced, and then we get a certain amount of people who take us up on that offer, and then we have our high priced offer, which we haven't even implemented yet, but as you follow this page, if you subscribe to this page, you will be able to see exactly how we take our fans, our customers through this value journey and how we're able to get the most money for every customer that we get. This is so important with business, with OnlyFans, with anything that you do. You need to have a value ladder. You need to have different options and different price packages for different things because different people are balling on different budgets and you need to be able to satisfy everyone. And you need to be able to take someone from the bottom to the top of the ladder. So this is what I'll be teaching you guys on this channel. So if you're getting value out of this, subscribe, like, comment on this. I'm gonna be taking you guys on this OnlyFans journey with me so that you guys can copy and clone everything that it is that I'm doing. And if you stay to the end of this video, I will show you exactly how you can get your hands on my step-by-step blueprint on how you can double, triple, quadruple your income and tips on OnlyFans instantly. The third thing you're gonna need to be successful on OnlyFans is a bulletproof method to get traffic to your paid and free pages. So I understand a lot of people don't have huge followings. Not every model that I work with has a huge following. So obviously social media is the answer. I could pull up the screenshot for you guys right now. We were able to generate an average of $60 for every fan or customer that subscribed to our OnlyFans page. I've showed you the results. I've showed you how we're making a killing on our very first day. If you want to clone the exact step-by-step process we used to generate $1,200 in our very first day, if you want to get your hands on our insanely high converting profile, cover photo, and OnlyFans bio template that you can plug and play and instantly boost your conversion rates, then click the link in the description and you can get your hands on all that. Also, as a bonus, you will get the exact copy of our high converting welcome message that generated us over $700 in tips on the very first day. So if you want all of this goodness, click the link in my description. You can get instant access to my entire step-by-step blueprint formula. Then click the link in the description. My name is Tay Nelson. See you guys next time.